Dear students and parents, welcome to the Test Prep Card channel in yet another video on the Karnataka Common Entrance Test. You can refer to the other videos made on the Test Prep Card channel by me and other educators on the same topic, that is KCET, actually referring to the various subtopics. So in this video, the subtopic is going to be the centers of KCET examination in India. And I would request you to completely watch this video, and then still if you have any queries, you can put it up in the comment section and the test prep card team will be addressing it. Let's begin this video, and in this video we are going to cover the topics such as the various examination centers located in Karnataka, where are they located in, then also the examination centers for the practical test also I will be dealing at length, and I will be giving you certain tips as well in order to change the center of the exam. So let's begin with this video, and first I would request you to subscribe to the Test Prep Card channel so that any updates in the future are there. So let's begin this video, and you need to know that the KCET examination center for the 2021 examination. So Bagalkot is one of the places which is in Chitradurga, which is not in Chitradurga, it's close to it, but there are two different centers. One is in Chitradurga, one is in Bagalkot, then there is Jamakhandi, Davanagare, Bangalore, Dharwad. These are all the names of the centers located in different places that I am giving you for you to have an idea. Although you can excuse me for the pronunciation if it's not as according to the local dialect, please excuse me for that. Doda Ballapur, there is a center there, and one is in Hubli as well. Then one center is in Belgaum, the other is in Gaddag. Then there is in Athani, one is in Gulbarga as well. Then one is in Chikkodi, another is in Hassan, another is in Gokak. Then there is in Havaredite, and one is in Bellary. Then there is in Kamwar, one is in Hosped, another is in Dandeli, and then there are centers in Bidar, Kumta, Bassava Kalyan and Sirsi as well. But this list is quite an exhaustive one. Let me just complete it. There is in Balkhi, Kollar, one is in Bijapur, then there is a KGF center as well. One is in Chamarajnagar, then there is in Koppal, Kollegal, another center is there. And the center for KCET examination is in Madikeri, Chikkabalapur, then there is in Mandya, and one is in Chikmagalur, and then there is in Krishna Rajapet. So these is the exhaustive list of the KCET centers located in the state of Karnataka for the KCET examination for the 2021 academic year. Now, candidates seeking seats reserved under agriculturalist quota will have to appear for the KCET agricultural practical test, for which there are separate lists of practical test centers. The fee for which practical test is 500 for general category candidates and OBC as well, and for 250 for SC/ST and category 1 students. Now, this is pretty much it, and practical test centers are there. University of Agricultural Sciences, GVKV, Bangalore. Name of the district covered is Hassan, Chikmagalur, then Mandya also. Then University of Agricultural Sciences, Dharwad. They are also covering Gaddag, Haveri, Karwad or Dharwad districts. Then there is, so there are, for multiple districts, there is one center, such as in University of Agricultural Sciences, Raichur, which is covering Yadagiri and Raichur districts. And then there is one in University of Agriculture and Rural Sciences at Shivamogga, which is covering a lot of districts other than Shivamogga, such as Chikmagalur, Devanagari, and certain other districts which I am not able to pronounce pretty well, such as Chitradurga and Karwad. Now, there is two more centers. Let me just name them. One is in Bagalkot, University of Agricultural Sciences again, and one is in Karnataka Veterinary and Animal Fishery Sciences, University of Bidar. So these are the practical test centers that will be applicable for those who are going to appear for the practical test as part of KCET agriculture. Now, this was a list of quite an exhaustive list of all the centers within the state of Karnataka. You can actually, if you're living in any other part abroad, outside the country or outside the state, you can have a list of those centers as well by going to the official website. Key points related to the KCET 2021 exam centers. First, let me tell you news that was there a few weeks back, that candidates must know that Karnataka Examination Authority, which is responsible for conducting this KCET examination, has kind of identified 75 new centers for conducting CET examination, and the list is there on the website, so I cannot go through all those 75 centers. You can go back and have a look at the 75 centers that were demarcated for the 2020 examination, and it will be more or less applicable if not changed due to the COVID reasons. So you can go to the official website, and the allotment of centers will be done on the basis of choices entered by the candidates themselves. So please be very careful while filling up the form itself. In the application form, and the availability of seats in the center also will play a part in it. Candidates are required to select the preferred exam centers by filling the KCET 2021 examination. Now, KCET exam score once allotted will not be changed, and candidates are not allowed to request for change in exam centers. So that is pretty much it. Everything you need to know about the exam centers in the state of Karnataka, outside it, as well as abroad as well. You can go to the official website and have a list at the exhaustive list, especially the new centers that have been identified in the year 2020 by the Karnataka Examination Authority for the conduct of Karnataka Common Entrance Test 2021. So I hope it was all the information that you needed with regards to this topic. Please keep on watching other videos that are coming as updates once you have subscribed to the Test Prep Card channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I would again like to wish you all the best for the upcoming examinations. Thank you, and do well and do prepare well for it as well.